Imagine you're playing with two toy cars. One is big and bulky, while the other is sleek and streamlined. Now, let's pretend you're going to race them down a long track. When you push both cars, which one do you think will go faster and reach the finish line first? Well, the sleek and streamlined car will likely go faster because it can cut through the air more easily. The big and bulky car, on the other hand, will have a harder time moving forward because it's not as aerodynamic. In a similar way, a bullet also has a shape and size that affects how well it can move through the air. The ballistic coefficient is a way to measure how easily a bullet can overcome the air resistance it encounters as it flies through the sky. Think of the air as a big wall that the bullet needs to push through. A bullet with a high ballistic coefficient is like a small, pointy arrow. It can slice through the air smoothly and move forward without much trouble. On the other hand, a bullet with a low ballistic coefficient is more like a big, round ball. It has a harder time pushing through the air, and it slows down more quickly. Why is this important? Well, the bullet's ability to overcome air resistance affects its trajectory and accuracy. Trajectory is the path the bullet follows when it's fired from a gun. Accuracy is how close the bullet hits the target. If a bullet has a high ballistic coefficient, it can maintain its speed and stability better as it flies. It will stay on a more predictable and accurate path. But if a bullet has a low ballistic coefficient, it will slow down faster and be more influenced by factors like wind or other disturbances. This can make it harder to hit the target accurately. So, when shooters or scientists talk about ballistic coefficient, they are looking at how well a bullet can overcome the air resistance it encounters. They want to find bullets that are more like sleek, streamlined cars so they can fly straight and true to the target. Understanding the ballistic coefficient helps shooters choose the right bullets for different situations. It helps them know which bullets will be more accurate and perform better over long distances. So, the ballistic coefficient is like a measure of how well a bullet can move through the air. A high ballistic coefficient means the bullet is more aerodynamic and can overcome air resistance easily. This helps the bullet fly straight and hit the target more accurately. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you don't want to lose your Second Amendment rights.